but I'm just assuming that there are probably more above 5s than under 5s. So it's a scuffed rating system to begin with.
Non-stop not November.
Already seen this, I think. Or there was someone else talking about nuts. Cabin okay, getting for the 2 years, man. Pew. Enjoying the badge. Hi fam.
Well, there's certainly no shortage of the pheasant back mushrooms out here. You can see here's one, and then one over here. They look really nice. And then just looking around here in the distance, that tree has a bunch. And then this log over here has a bunch. Take a walk over there. These look pretty big.
Nutri-Cool, I think for the 33 man. Forsen O.
That one is down
Peeing,
there.
of course.
It's gotta be about 12
Come
inches
back.
across.
Greek guy with the 1 year cock and
And
balls.
this one looks like it has a bite out of it. And this one. And there's one over here. Looks like it's holding some water. Huh? I think it's time to go.
Alright. Not fake. 100% real. Not his friend screaming in the distance. Proximus Maximus lived for 4 years. Bye! My man, enjoy your Cup of Pride badge.
You'll earn 3 million yen in no time. Although your life and everything along with it will be a complete wreck by then.
I've been listening to you go on and on.
Floden, thank you for the prime sub.
Shut your damn mouth, you money-grubbing asshole!
Have you decided to tread the path of strife?
Yes. Come to me!
Very well. Let us proceed with our contract at once. I am thou. Thou art I. You have finally found your own justice. Please, never lose sight of it again.
Alright, this shit fucking sucks. Alright, I'm fucking good. I'm fucking good. I'm fucking good.
We do a little bit of skipping, getting scanned.
Alright, alright, new server.